So whether you're a man or a woman, if you come across this video, make sure you leave everything that you're doing and watch this video. This video will give you an idea of a business that will make you 6 figures from the comfort of your home. So this time around, you do not need to have hundreds of thousands to start a business. You don't need to wait for someone to fund you or a grant. Just a good business idea, your consistency, and your gadget, of course your phone or your laptop, whichever one, you can get started. I have this business I've been working on, like this idea, and I just say, okay, let me see how it will go. Then it been, I think, 3 weeks and 2 days now, and I've gotten good responses so far. At first I didn't want to share this idea. I just said, okay, let me see how it goes for, but then I just said, well, let me share it, you get, because I know that so many people need this type of information to, to make money. At first, when I had this idea, I was kind of skeptical, because I know that those in this particular industry, they don't like spending money. Though for now, I'm yet to give it a name, do you get, because I'm still on it. This idea is all about selling services to school. I actually discovered this when I was trying to research on some schools that I can change my son to. And there's one particular school that have been on my mind. It's a very big school and the students are doing well, the standard is okay. But I found out that this particular school do not have enough information on the internet. The name of the school and one phone number that was never going through. And the website that they have there is expired. So many things that they took for granted that can give them visibility and make them money. So on that same day, I went for school run to go pick up my child at his present school, and I just decided to ask the teacher, and I was like, okay, you people have Instagram, right? What's your Instagram handle? She was like, our Instagram handle, the name of the school. So there and then I searched for it. The last time they posted was around January 13. Hey God, my curiosity started building up. So when I got home after everything, I sat down, I started researching for schools. So many schools that I've been seeing their school buses, and I started researching, and I found out that these schools do not have enough internet presence. Like, there are a lot of things that they are not doing right, and because yes, they have students, they have the population, they have the capacity and everything, they are not bothered. And another thing I know about school owners is that they don't like spending money. So I started thinking outside the box. Like, I started thinking of how to collect these people's money and sell a service to them. I came up with what to sell to them. And what is this thing? It's something that you that is watching this video can equally do. It's something that anybody that is serious in making money can do. I know that schools in Nigeria do not like spending money. I had to find a way to package this service. Instead of offering one service to them and later coming up to offer the other one, most of them that have website, their websites are expired. The ones that even have social media handles, they are not consistent in posting. Do you get? The ones that even have Google business profile, they are not optimized, like a lot of things. Some do not even have websites, do not even have Instagram or Facebook page. They are just there existing. Because I want to start this business with zero capital, I do not have money to start paying graphic designers. I want to offer this service on a low budget, and it's something that I want to do with zero capital. So there is no need for me to outsource these things to a website developer or a graphic designer. Remember, I told you that people in this industry do not like spending money. So I had to give them what they want, but make sure that they get value for it while I get paid. I use the free web design apps or web design tools out there. There are lots of them. You can design website on Canva, you can use Google Site, you can use Wix, you can use Squarespace. There are a lot of these things. All you need to do is do some drag and drop, tweak it, and I get them a domain name and host these things, making it look very professional. This is how I structure the services in order to make it mouth-watering, make it enticing for them, make it make it look like they are cheating me. Structure these services into 3 packages. The first one is the basic package. This basic package comes with just your website and an optimized Google business profile. Package, which is the premium, comes with website, optimized Google profile, optimized Instagram and Facebook pages. My gold package comes with website, Google profile, Instagram and Facebook handle, 30 days calendar, free posting templates, 30 minutes consultation, and I added something free again for them. This is to make it look like they are cheating me. Like I told you, see, schools do not like spending money, so you need to make it look like they are the one cheating you. Imagine getting all these things for 100,000, for 50,000. Now from my story you will see that I did not start with any capital. All I did was use my gadget. Okay guys, so now that you've seen how I started this gig that I'm currently working on, and I know that 1 or 2 of you will be very interested to know how he or she can start. This is how you are to start this thing. Like I said, this is a business you start with 0 capital. If you're living in Lagos, this is a location-based thing, like Ikorodu axis. Do not go and start messaging schools that are outside Ikorodu axis, because some schools might ask you to come, some might not. Do you get? So that you don't get overwhelmed. Yes, you will grow to the extent, that is if you're consistent and taking this thing very serious, you grow to the extent where you reach out to schools outside your location. But for now that you're starting, you will have to start with schools in your location. For instance, if you're living at a place like Iyanepaja, Egbeda, Bagada, Oshodi, please, when you're searching, when you're on Google, search for schools in Oshodi, schools in Egbeda, schools in Iyanepaja. So after searching for these things and you've noted down the things that they are not really doing well in, so you go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to craft you a good outreach message to school owners, selling your service to them. So there's not really too much thing about these things. This is a business idea that you start with 0 capital, and you have to be patient, you have to be consistent to get results. This is 3 weeks and 2 days that I've started, and so far so good. There are good responses. Do you understand? Meaning that there are lots of opportunities out there. Now imagine when you start sending to schools that are even outside your location. Like the other day, I tried to search for schools on the island. Let me see if schools on the island are doing something more differently compared to the schools on the mainland. And guys, there was no difference at all. I just found out that these school owners are the same thing. They don't really want to spend money. No matter how much their school fees is, they just do not really want to spend money like that, and they do not really believe in this online thing. That is what I can just say. So when you offer these things and you tell them the opportunities that are in these packages, the opportunities in these services, trust me, they are going to jump on it, which I have seen and I have experienced. And that is why I am bringing this business idea here for you to replicate the same thing and also start making your own money. Depends on how you do your costing. Do you get it? But make sure that it does not look too cheap. Do not say, okay, so that you have customer, you're making it cheap. No, just make it affordable. That is why you have the 3 packages. They should go for the one they can afford. Don't make it too cheap, like they'll not start doubting 30,000 out of this thing. It's too good to be true. Remember that teachers are educated people. School owners are very, very educated. They are well traveled. Many of them are exposed. So make sure you offer something that is affordable, not cheap, something that there is value, and the value they won't take it for granted. Because when you bring all those things and you're saying basic is 20,000 or 30,000, premium is 50, they'll be looking at you like this one is just hungry. She's looking for something to make money and and feed herself. This thing like a professional. So guys, I think for now this is all I have to say about this business. Like I said, I've not really come up with a name for this business though, but just the way I've described it, that is the way I've been doing it. So if you want to try this business and you have any question at all, maybe for clarity's sake or anything at all you want to ask, feel free to post in the comment section and I'll be answering every one of them. Thank you for sticking to the end and see you in my next video. Bye.